In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image on Talkie AI. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI, then press Enter. From the results, open the official site at talkieai.com so you're working in the right place. Once you're on the home page, click Create a Talkie to enter the creation workspace. Inside the workspace, switch to Image Library. This is where your visual assets live, and it's also where we'll generate a new one. Click Create Image to open the image generator. You'll see a prompt field. This is where you describe the image you want. For example, you could type Mafia Boss. If you want an even more accurate result, enrich that prompt with a few details about mood, setting, style, or lighting, such as a classic mafia boss in a smoky 1940s office, cinematic lighting, dramatic shadows. Clear, specific language helps the model understand your vision. With your prompt ready, click Generate. The system will process for a moment and then display an image. If the result is close but not perfect, keep your edits small and intentional. Adjusting one or two words, like changing the era, lighting, or style, often guides the output more reliably than rewriting everything. Next, fine-tune the look using style reference and face reference. Style reference helps your image match a particular visual aesthetic, whether you want something painterly, photorealistic, or comic-inspired. It's great for keeping a consistent art direction across a project. Face reference helps align character identity, maintaining facial features across multiple images so your characters remain recognizable. Use these controls to push the results toward your intended style or character without rewriting your prompt. You'll also find a control called Prompt Adherence. This slider determines how strictly the generator follows your text. Set it higher when exact details, like clothing, props, or setting, must be honored. Lower it slightly if you want the system to exercise more creative interpretation. If your images feel too rigid, ease it back. If they're too loose, nudge it higher. A middle setting is a solid starting point, and you can adjust from there based on what you see. Once you're happy with the image, you're all set. You've generated an image that's ready to use for creating characters inside Talkie AI. Keep your best results organized in the image library so you can reuse styles and faces later. That's the full flow, from search to prompt to fine-tuning, so you can turn ideas into polished visuals quickly and confidently.